Right now, I'd like to introduce our elder and former chief, Lorraine McCrae, to give an opening prayer, and then she'll deliver some opening remarks as well.
Anin bojo kenawaya, dinwan maganiduk, nuich kiwayak, nigon en arbitendau, jikaniqua, she kendo dem. Nik chinanda mop chikinawab minguk nongum. My name is Lorraine McCrae, and my spirit name is Nigon An Abed, one who looks ahead. And I am a Jikaniqua from the Chippewas of Rama First Nation. Let us offer a prayer of thanksgiving. Chimigwach gajamanido, Mount Jidiang Monongum, Ajik Chipitan Dagwak, Ajawabak, Monongum, Migwach Migodash Opche, Kajamanido, Migwach Ga, Minwa, Babong, Anin Opche, Ajiganajwang, Kinagaujit Doyen, Kajamanido, Dimigwach Migo Opche. Dim Quen Manon Dash Nongum, Git Sim Nanik, Nok Misug Mishom Sug, Kinagana Majaji Gaje, Zagon on Opche, Dim Quen Manon, Pane Geek Chinook Wad Ga, Pane Geek Tamagus Wad, Nishnabeg We Al Wad, Wewena Gagi Nishnabemwad. Apchigo Dichanandamin. Quen Migo Dashnongum, Zagi Gom. Migwach Kinagabishajik Monongum. Kina Andajik Wede, Williams Treaties, First Nations. Migwach Kinagya Gimog Agikidojig Panak Chinooki Wad Migwach Gagyo Akchinooki Jig Pane Minwa Kwawag Ninawag Dibinojim Nonik Migwach Migo Opche Kajamani Do Migwach Ajawabak Monongum Miga Pwaganag Nongum Migwach Gilninawak Kwawak Nongum and Anipwajig Ma Migwach Nokmasnonik Mishomsinonik Kajamani Do Wide Wabanung Minwa Jawanung Minwa Nagabanung, Minwa Giwadnung, Minwa Gijagung, Minwa Giam Shkakamekwa, and Quen Mananungum. Migwach Kina Amijong, Migwanan, Dewaganan. Chanandamin Ga Kina Anim Jig, Monongum, Adewe Gajig, and Gumjig. Zagi Gom da Shopche. Chimigwach Gajamanido, Great Kind Spirit. Joanna Mishnong Dash Nongum. Chimigwach Kinagago. Chimigwach, Migwach. Migwach, Migwach.
Bojo, Onakwe Jesus Indigenous, Mozo do Dem, Singer Egwin and Mateo.
At this time, I'd like to introduce Minister of Indigenous Affairs, Honorable Greg Reckford, for his remarks on behalf of Ontario.
Ane, Bojo, Minogijit Kiniwawi, Greg Reckford, Indigenous. Kenora Indonajaba.
I'd like to invite Chief Phyllis Williams from the Mississaugas of Curve Lake First Nation to come forward for her remarks.
Anin, bonjour, mnogijeb. Wapshke makwakwa Indigenous cause. Gnosha ndodem, ashgigamang nodiba. Mitchisagi Anishinabemowin. My spirit name is White Bear Woman. I'm of the Fish Clan, and my community is Curve Lake.
At this time, I'll call upon Chief James Marsden from the Mississaugas of Alderville First Nation.
I'd just like to begin and say bonjour and anin. I'm Gema Jimba Marsden, the Indigenous cause, Alderville First Nation, the Nojaba.
At this time, I'll call upon Chief Guy Manag from the Chippewas of Beausoleil First Nation.
Anishinabek. Bashna. Nishin.
At this time, I'll call upon Chief Lori Carr from the Mississaugas of Hiawatha First Nation.
Ani bojo wawash keshto dem megaze kwe dishnakas Lori Jaganash Noswin Michisagi Anishinaabe and Dow Gima Hiawatha Minoga Jeb. Good morning. I am from the Deer Clan. My indigenous name is Eagle Woman. My English name is Lori. And I am Michisagi from Hiawatha and chief of our community.
At this time, I'll invite Chief Kelly LaRocca from the Mississaugas of Scugog First Nation to come and give her remarks.
Anin, bonjour. Najwe makwakwe Indigenous Wapsishi dodem, Chage dodem, Scugog Manisi donjaba. Hello, bonjour, welcome, Anin.
Bonjour, kina Anishinabek, bonjour, kina Dawemek Magnaduk. Anim Kings Indigenous, Wawasia Agamek and Devin Injuba, Makwagin Indodem, Chemaknak Minising and Devin Injuba.
At this time, I'd like to invite Shelley Charles to come forward.
Bonjour. Mandao ko Indigenous cause Muskanoja and Dodem. Gagige Anishinaabe Kwendao. Mishomasananik, no Kamisananik, Migwechgo Kinegego ga Mijian. Gege Kinwe Mana na Kega Jin Dayan Widoko Shin. Widoko Shin Minwa Kinwe Mashin na Kega Jin Dayan. Nikanagana. I just wanted to start by, so my name is Manda Kwe, and I'm from Joniang and Donjaba.
I've also asked Vicky Snake to come forward to give a little history on the tobacco ties. You would have noticed the canoe filled with them as you came in.
Wawena bojo canoe and Uncle Kwe Indigenous cause Wabsheshi and Dodem, Abding with the Kwe and Dow, Vicky and the Shaganashim Noswin.
Chibigo at Shamnado, can I go to Amish Young? Up Chiganak Chinanda Agwat, can I go in my Rabak Nongo? Chimigo at Chikanaga, Kashich Keg, Meonsha, Chinoki, Quen Meon, Chimigratch. Chop Chiganagat, Chimigratch, Ashik Chibicho, Mission. We are Shaquatch, we go in Nogum, Chikno and Meon, Chicoa Beon. Chimigratch, Kodoga, Kinagabishachik, we are Shaquatch, we go in Nogum Shamnedo. Chimigratch.